The year 2020 changed quite a few routines of our day-to-day life. But have we ever stopped attempting to go outside for even the slightest of reasons? The young ones can definitely relate. Yes. And that's how we progressed in small bits and pieces and finished the year on a high. At least we hope so.
So here comes the new year. New year, new wishes, new dreams, but the same old problems.
We are not just talking about the devouring COVID-19, but we are talking about the generation of waste and other environmental problems as well. Pollution is again on a significant rise, as well as the changes in climate is affecting us dominantly. Let's wear masks when out, wash hands regularly, and together be a part of this huge chain system of helping our environment.
So here's wishing a very happy new year from the team of the Green Musketeers. Have a safe year ahead, keep supporting us and be a Green Musketeer.